A vector has a magnitude and direction. We draw vectors as a line segment with an arrow at the end, with the root typically at the origin. If u is the vector 1, 2, we can draw u at the origin or anywhere else. These are all u. We can multiply u by a number, like 2. This makes the vector be 2, 4. It scales, or makes it longer, so 2 is called a scalar. If we have another vector v, which is 1 minus 3, we can add these to get 2 minus 1. To see this geometrically, place the tail of v at the tip of u and draw a new vector from the tail of u to the tip of v. This is the sum. Notice the picture matches the computation. Both u and v are two-dimensional vectors, but vectors come in all sizes. For example, w, which is w1 up to wn, is n-dimensional. Everything works the same, there are just more coordinates. You can only add vectors if they have the same dimension, and there is no vector multiplication, at least not in the way you'd think.